Let's work through a sales budget example problem. The problem says Myers Company sells their product for $20 each. In 2020, the company expects to sell 4,000 units in quarter one, and then in each subsequent quarter, sales will increase by 500 units with no change in the unit selling price. So using all of that information, we need to prepare a sales budget for the year by quarter. So we have all of that information over on the left side. And then this is what your sales budget will look like. You'll need to put your expected sales units, your unit selling price, and your total sales. And we have it broken up by quarter and then for the entire year over on the far right. So our expected unit sales in quarter one, that's our 4,000 units that they told us. Our unit selling price is $20. So if we sell 4,000 units for $20 each, that's $80,000 in total sales for the first quarter. Now quarter two, well, we're told that in each subsequent quarter, sales increase by 500 units. So now we sell 4,500 units here in quarter two. Our unit selling price is still just $20. So 4,500 times 20 gives us total sales of $90,000 for quarter two. In quarter three, our sales increase by 500 again. So now we're up to 5,000 units sold here in the third quarter. Once again, our unit selling price is $20. So 5,000 times 20 gives us $100,000 worth of sales in the third quarter. And then in quarter four, we sell 5,500 units for $20 a unit for a total sales amount of $110,000. So we've now filled up quarter one through quarter four in our sales budget. But we also need to show for the entire year, for all of 2020, what were our sales numbers. So the first thing that we need to do is figure out how many total units did we expect to sell during the year. And we get 19,000. Where do we get that 19,000? Well, we add up our expected sales units for each of the four quarters throughout the year. So 4,000 plus 4,500 plus 5,000 plus 5,500 gives us that 19,000 in expected unit sales for the year. Now, our unit selling price, it's still $20, right? We don't want to add up those 20s because that's just a constant throughout the entire year. And then there's a few different ways that we can find this total sales amount in the bottom right. We can take 19,000 times 20 and we get $380,000. We could also add up our total sales amounts for each of the four quarters. So 80,000 plus 90,000 plus 100,000 plus 110,000 would also get you $380,000.